potato. Alright, so I'm gonna peel these potatoes. You can boil them, then take off the skin, or you can peel them first. So I usually peel them, so I'm gonna peel all of them, then cook them. Alright, so we have peeled all the potatoes. Now I'm going to dice them cubes. Okay, so after I peel and wash my potatoes, I'm just going to make cubes or dice them. Okay, so that's what I'm doing at this moment. So with our sharp paring knife, I'm just gonna go down the center and do these, like maybe threes. The bigger ones, do them like that. Okay. Okay. The smaller ones we can do them in half, then half, so that's 4 pieces. Alright, so cover the potato with enough water, like that, and then you're going to boil it until the potatoes are cooked. Okay. Add salt to the water. You can put garlic in the water, just add a little flavor. Alright, so we're just finishing up our potato salad. So we have our potatoes, they're boiled, they're cooled. Has to be cooled because else it's gonna be total mess. I've got almonds, mayonnaise. Yeah. So let's do black pepper, so let's do half a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon, just enough, not a lot, just a little bit, and maybe half a teaspoon of salt. I don't want it to be too salty, just enough for taste. Alright, I'm gonna use a bigger spoon to do the combination. add boiled egg to your potato salad, or you can do a vegetable combined with your potato salad. There's so many different options when it comes down to potato salad. So I'm going to just do that. And you want to add some oregano to that. But as I said, potato salad is, there are endless options of what you can add to it because of personal choices. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. Serve my salad on the side, and everybody is happy. But some people don't want eggs, some people don't want vegetables. Okay, so there we have it, guys. I have my potato salad. I'm gonna serve it with my fried chicken wings. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and continue to stay in tune for more videos from Carrie Cook with Carrie, Cook with Carrie, Cook with Carrie.